morning, Jayo. What is that? Ha? Nanood siya, oh. Wow, wow, wow. Good morning po. Hindi naman po siya mapakali sa 500 ducks. Tuwa-tuwa na naman siya, oh. Wow. Nice naman yan. Ang nice naman ng 500 ducks. Gio. Oh, naiinis siya pag natatapos. Oh. You wait, anak. You wait. Wow. Ayan na ulit. Wow. Ayan na ulit ang 500 ducks. Hello mga titas! Ayan na po yung chart ni Jayo. Meron ng chart si Jayo. Yung dalawa hindi pa nalagay. Walang paglalagyan. Dito na lang siya sa hig. Tapos magbabasa na lang kami. Yay! Thank you po mga titas! Sa panonood kay Jayo. Love, love namin. We will cut your hair later. Anak? Huwag ka malikot. Bye-bye. God bless you po. Bye-bye. Hello, Jaya. Bagong gupit ang my love namin. Oh, yay! Happy birthday. Sabi niya, Papa. Oh. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ginupitan po namin ng konti. Pero yung kulot niya, ano, ito. Oh, no, Jayo. No. Shh. No, Jayo. Jayo. Ano yung kamay mo, ha? No, anak. Jayo. Ang pogi naman niya sa gupit. Wow, umupo pa dun sa car. Tingnan mo, nakaupo siya dun sa car niya, oh. Wow! What are you doing? Ay! Tumaas na yung car niya. Ay! Tomorrow, meron ka na ulit new toy. Tomorrow. Oh, sasakay siya, sasakay. Sasakay talaga. Be careful, ha? Sasakay siya. Be careful, ha? No, not like that. Oh, there. Oh, Jaya. Oh, beep, beep. Beep, beep. Oh, sakay na. Go. Yung pala ang kukunin niya. Yung kanyang fire truck. Wow. Tabi muna natin to. Wow. Ang pogi naman niya. Oy. Hello, titas. Ayan na, nakikialam mo naman. Speak to titas. Happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday. Clap. Yay! Happy birthday sa my birthday. Meron pa si yung nung nakaraang Sunday kasi nag-birthday yung kababata niya dito. Pinabati niya ng happy birthday tapos nagka-clap siya. Say happy birthday, anak. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kai. Happy birthday. Yay! Kai. Dali na. Say happy birthday, Kai. Happy birthday, Kai. How about hurrah? You sing hurrah. Hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. Hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. Hurrah. You sing hurrah. 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 Say 6. Say 6. Say 6. 6. Hurrah. 6 by 6. Hurrah. Hurrah. Sing. The ants go marching 6 by 6. Hurrah. Hurrah. Oh, sing. Sing it. The ants go marching 6 by 6. Hurrah. Hurrah. The ants go marching 6 by 6. The little one stop to pick up sticks. Oh, Jayo. Hurrah. Oh, 6 by 6. Oh, sige. Ground. Ano yung ano niya? And they all go marching down. Crack. Just 6 by 6. You sing, the ants go marching 6 by 6. The little one stop to pick up sticks. And they all go marching down to the ground. Galing naman. Kakakak ground. What are you doing, Gio? What are you doing? Wow! Gio is reading a book. Gio is reading a book. What is that? Baliktad naman. What is that, Gio? This is number. Number. Like this. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Finish! Finish na. Finish na, Jayo. We will read again. Okay? Siso. Siso ka, baby love. Gusto pa. Uupo daw siya, papa. Uy, nagpapa-baby na naman. Nagpapa-baby na naman yan. Nanonood si papa ng ng Netflix. K-drama pan yan si papa eh.